How to level up fast in Monopoly Go. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. There are a few ways on how you can level up fast in Monopoly Go. The first is to complete daily goals consistently, as daily goals offer reliable XP rewards and refresh every 24 hours. Also, make sure to prioritize tasks that yield the highest XP and align tasks like dice spins and property upgrades. Next, you can try to participate in time-limited events. Events often provide bonus XP and exclusive rewards and have many offer better XP than standard play. You can also try to go ahead and upgrade properties and complete wards. Upgrades are dual purpose. They improve in-game wealth and give XP. Completing full boards yields substantial XP and allows you to move on to new, potentially more rewarding boards. Also, go ahead and collect the trade and stickers. Stickers offer bonus XP, and completing collections can lead to significant gains. Also, make sure to use dice strategically. Dice spins are vital for progress. If possible, save rolls for high XP events or tasks. Landing on hotels when the color wheel is active can net extra dice money or stickers. Also, go ahead and claim free dice links regularly. So these were a few ways on how you can level up fast in Monopoly Go. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.